Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for August 31st. We are looking at the US Japanese yen. This pair closed down during today's session, broke out of its inside bar, double inside bar, actually tagged the lows that we're looking at. It is moving sideways overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 77.16, possibly as low as 76.03. Look for some resistance around 77.00 and look for some support around 76.40. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair closed lower. We are looking for it overall to kind of continue this bias to the upside, but still moving lower for the past couple of days. If there's any indication as far as the past, it'll start surging higher again like it has over several times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times before. Let's look for it to potentially go as high as 145.46, possibly as low as 142.30. Look for some resistance around 144.75 and look for some support around 143.25. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair is moving sideways, closed lower. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 16400, possibly as low as 161.22. Look for some resistance around 163.33 and look for some support around 162.05. Now the US Swiss, this pair pulled back during today's session, didn't break previous highs. We are looking for it to continue to the upside, possibly going as high as 0.8265, possibly as low as 0.7885. Look for some resistance around 0.8250 and look for some support around 0.7975. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have the Swiss releasing their gross domestic product for the second quarter. Consensus on that is that it has moved lower from 0.60% to 0.40%. Okay, now what am I looking for during this next session? Well, I do believe that the US Swiss is going to overall be continue to the upside. However, we do have a pretty strong trend line here that's been tagged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and if we get a break below it, it's going to run. So what I'm looking for is for it to break down and then move lower. Looking at two potential exit points. Let me zoom back in. First, looking to go short around the 0.7954 level. Exit around 69 pips below that at 178.83. We are going through a 0-0 level during that time, so be aware of that. And potentially having it move on down about 150 pips down to 0.7807. So that is what I'm looking for during this next session. Looking for it to break down, go short here, potentially exit and exit full, possibly go to break even on this point at that point and see if it'll run on down lower. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.